Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to the channel of chilled, relaxed plant content where we talk about our plants and we try to learn the best way to grow them so they grow how we want them to grow. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. Let's be plant friends. So today, I have a box. It's got some plants in it. And we're gonna flip you around, open it up, and I'll explain how I came upon having this plant. Alright guys, so this plant is actually from Chris over at Chris's Garden Pile. And she had posted a video just like an update of her Hoyas. And she had panned over to this plant and she said in the video that, like, you know, it's an extra. She was looking to give it to somebody. And, you know, she was waiting for that person to show up to come take it. And I commented on the video that it was a beautiful plant, because it was. And then she emailed me. We have each other's emails, so we like talk. And she was like, hey, do you want this? And I was like, yeah. And I was like, I can pay for shipping. And then she wouldn't let me pay for shipping. So I have to, well, I have some stuff propagating Hoya-wise. I have to find out when her weather out where she lives gets too cold for shipping, because I want to root the plants up before I sent them. Because when I show you what she sent me, it's only fair. I'm not gonna be able to give her a plant this size, but I can give her a bunch of cuttings that are rooted. So anyway, this is her. Okay, she taped it down. Very good, so it didn't fly all over the place. We're gonna just open it like this. Will you just slip it? Wow. Oh my God. Can you guys see that? I also love how she just reuses stuff. Like she always has like little string and stuff she ties off. She gave me some soil. Like this is, look at this plant. It's the Hoya carnosa. But it's, I don't know, it's a little veiny now that I see it like in person. I mean, Hoya carnosas can be veiny, but try to, camera if you can, focus on this leaf. I don't know if you can see the veins, but it is a beautiful plant, wow. And it just works out like, oh, look at this leaf. Look at that one. Can you see the veins on that? I'm not sure, but wow. This is beautiful, Chris. Holy moly. I'm trying not to curse here. All right, so I'm gonna show you what my carnosa looks like. I only have like a 4-inch pot of it, and maybe, I don't know, I'll show you. Hold on. All right, so this is Chris's plant, and then mine's dusty. Mine's very dusty. I need to clean my leaves. But this is mine. And my carnosa doesn't have any type of veining. It's just like a solid medium to dark medium green. And this one, like on a few of the leaves, you can see veins. Her leaves are also like a lot larger than any of the leaves I have on my plant. I mean, granted, I have it in this little 4-inch pot that I plan to never repot because I would run out of room real quick. But this whole stem is a newer part to my plant. Mine's also fuzzy, and hers is not fuzzy. Huh. This is just... Yeah, my Hoya carnosa is fuzzy. It's just, I love carnosas, like just in general. This is the newer leaf right here, this little strand. And it's fuzzy on the bottom and a little bit on the top. But only on the newer leaves. The older leaves, you feel a little bit of the fuzz, but it's pretty much gone by the time you get to these really older sun-bleached leaves that I have going on here. So yeah, so this actually works out perfect, Chris, because I had to take down some of the Hoyas that I have hanging up in my sunroom because they're not, I don't know. I kind of bought them and they weren't doing well, but I still wanted them. So I should have just rehabbed them from the beginning, but I waited. I thought, hey, maybe they'll figure themselves out. So now I have this huge plant that I can replace it with. That is amazing. All right, I'm actually, let's see. Oop, drop the scissors. About repotting this guy now. So this is like a little, what, 5-inch pot from Costa Farms. It will fit in there. Should I keep it in the smaller pot or should I up it? What do you guys think? I don't know. I do want it to grow and get large. I feel like anybody who's a Hoya head, like you have to have like a huge, large carnosa. Like how do you not? You know? Maybe that's just me. Alright, so I'm gonna get my soil. I think we're gonna go for the big pot and hope that the plant just grows into it. I think it will. I feel like this plant's gonna take off. It's got a bunch of new growth. Here's my dirt. I'm starting to run low on this too, so I'm gonna have to, let's just do it like this. The least amount of mess, please. Alright, let's see where this lies now. And she gave me a little tag. I love the tags. I really do. Alright, we got the string. What else? Okay, she has it wrapped in paper towel in the bag. Cool, keep it moist. I'm just gonna pull the plastic bag off. Oh, and knock off all the soil that's in there. And I think this is gonna be good. Dig a little deeper. Just want her to sit in there nicely. We'll rearrange some of her stems so she's kind of hanging over, not all just one way. And so then when she grows, she has room. Let's see. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go. Got this. Pull you over here a little bit. All right, we're gonna start off like this, I think. And we're gonna backfill again. Like we're gonna use up all the soil I have in here, which is fine. I know you can't see. Hold on. I'm trying to get it all in there. All right, a little bit of mess. It is what it is, right? Messes are gonna happen. But look at how pretty that is. All right. I really like this. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Chris. And I think, I don't know, I think I might put one or two of these stems kind of over the top because some of them have a little bit of aerial roots and it's pretty humid where I am right now. So I feel like it'll put out more aerial roots and kind of take off. Look at this. Look at this part of this plant. This is beautiful. So pretty. All right, let's see. Maybe I'll just do these two for now. I'll kind of lay them on the ground best I can and see if they root in. All right. Okay, so we repotted the plant. Don't know if you could see all that, but we did it. We're gonna put the little tag in. I'm gonna lightly water this plant just because the soil and the roots already had some moisture. I just wanna wet it so that it settles down. And then we're gonna put her up in the hanger in the sunroom. I'll show you where it's going, what it's looking like. And yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Chris. This is beautiful. So pretty. Comment below when you're, or email me, actually. I'll email you. All right, never mind. I'm getting flustered. See you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, guys. So this is where I put it, in between two of my carnosa compactas. I gave you hopefully a little aerial view. I'm using my tripod, so I really can't see what you can see. Well, ambulance. But this is what she looks like. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for this plant to trail down and be beautiful and lush. Yeah. Get some more up close views of this plant. Maybe you could see the veining better. I don't even know. I feel like you can't see it, but you see it in person. It's just like a slightly darker medium green color. Maybe. I don't know. I feel like you can't see it. And it's a shame because it's beautiful. Alright guys, so that is this little quick unboxing. This is the plant I got. I'm so excited. Yeah, so excited. I can't thank Chris enough. I will be sending you some cuttings, so alright. Let me know what you think about the plant. Is your Hoya carnosa fuzzy? Yeah, does it have like a slight venation? I really love just carnosa in general. One, they're fast growers. They have a whole bunch of variations. They're like the parent to a lot of the different cultivars in just the Hoya genus. So, alright, so yeah. Until next time, relax, plants, peace out.